Happy, beautiful, and wonderful banana-like kind of day to you. Bayo Banana, more specifically for you. Wham! Bam! Bayo Banana! I'm so excited to be sharing this wonderful protein shake with you guys today. This we added to one of our collections about 3 years ago, and it has been an incredible shake. Some people say that it tastes a bit like a malt, and some people don't actually taste the banana, but the blend of the banana and the baobab really tastes absolutely incredible, and it's phenomenal for your nutritional value, your best nutritional value. So what is our Bayo Banana protein shake? Our Bayo Banana protein shake is a blend, a bespoke blend to supply your body with the finest quality plant-based, nutrient-dense proteins. The purest blend are carefully selected superfoods that are potent in antioxidants and vitamin A. Oh, I need to see better. Vitamin A. Well, get some in your body today. Okay, so we're changing the name of this shake to a probiotic shake. Why? Because it has natural probiotic qualities. It's a super plant-based protein. It's great for heart health, very high in dietary fiber, higher in bioavailable vitamins and minerals, all essential and non-essential amino acids, and exceptionally high in minerals. You can come get your Bayo Banana shake for 250 grams, $200, 4 interest-free payments. You can pay with PayPal, PayFast, Visa, Bitcoin, MasterCard, and Instant EFT. Ships anywhere around South Africa, 3 to 5 working days. Ships internationally, 10 plus working days, depending on where you are. Okay, so our Baobab protein shake is a bespoke blend to supply our body with the finest quality plant-based nutrient-dense proteins. It will help to accelerate recovery from exercise, supporting general wellness and helping you to achieve optimal physical and mental performance, resulting in larger, leaner muscle gain. Naturally, the purest blend of carefully selected superfoods that are potent in antioxidants and vitamin A to ensure the body absorbs the 65% edistin protein perfectly, which accelerates regeneration and muscle building after a period of exertion and while in rest. While it is ideal for sportsmen and women, athletes and bodybuilders, our Bayo Banana protein shake is equally suited to people with a limited time to exercise. So what are the ingredients in here? There's baobab, pumpkin protein, hemp 70% protein, lucuma, mesquite, maca, coconut sugar, banana powder, and pure love. Guys, I have to read something to you. So how do we have the shake? So you can have the shake with non-dairy milk, coconut milk, water, any kinds of things. You can add it to, you can have it cold. If you want, you can have it hot. I haven't really experimented with that yet, so I'm not sure how that would taste, but let me know if you do in the comments below. And basically, we would use this as a protein shake, so you can make a shake with it. A light shake, you can make a smoothie with it, you can make a smoothie bowl with it, add it to your oats, your cereals, you can put it in a salad dressing if you like. But this is a natural probiotic, so the best time you're going to want to have this is probably in the morning, so that your stomach gets that good, healthy, natural bacteria and probiotic energy in the mitochondria, so that your body can actually help build that energy up and that momentum and your immunity up for the day ahead. So with that being said, let's have a look here at one or two of the most important things that I wanted to share with you. We have the nutritional values are 354 calories per 100 grams. Protein is 32.5 grams. It's powerful, guys. Carbohydrate is 52. Natural sugar is 22. Fat is 2.5. Potassium is 162 milligrams. Vitamin C is 75 milligrams. Iron is 15 milligrams. Copper there is copper in here, which is great. There's fiber, sodium, vitamin A is 275 IU, magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium. Incredible supplement, guys. Micro and macro minerals here that are going to change your body for the best. Okay, with that being said, please come on over, get yourself some of this, get your gut health back on track. We recommend using this with alongside our green tea shake and having them kind of in collaboration, not at the same time, but in collaboration with one another. One in the morning, one a little bit later as a mid-meal snack, that kind of vibe. So, guys, we love you to bits and pieces. Oops. Please like the video, okay? Especially after that little incident. Please like the video if you enjoyed it. Appreciate that really, very, very much so. It helps YouTube tell us who likes our videos and where we can spread our information a lot more. And you help us do that. So if you have any questions, please go and hit us in the comments below. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please come subscribe to our channel. and hit that notification bell so that you know when we release our next video. And of course, you help us spread our beautiful algorithm into the abundance of this meta universe. Thank you very much for being here with us. We love you. You have yourself a really happy, healthy, strong, and beautiful day ahead. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.